Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front windshield wipers are not working. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. First thing to check is the fuse, and then if that fuse is good, next thing will be to check the wipers switch and the wiper motor and the wiring towards the motor. But first things first, check the fuse. Okay, so the front wipers fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove this cover you will have two tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top, so you want to press them and lift up. I'm working with one hand here. Okay, and on the back side you will also have a small fuse diagram, and here are all of the fuses and the relays. Okay, and the front wipers fuse will be this green 30 amp fuse in the bottom right corner. So this is the fuse to check, and if you're lucky, I hope this will fix your problem. If not, like I said, then you'll have to do a bit more research, check the switch and the wiper motor. But most often this is the problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.